Welcome to this week's Kits UK vlog. Okay, so this week we are doing this G01 X3 and it's the LCI model, so it's the new shape. And on this particular phase of the build, so this is going to be a two-phase build, we've got the front splitter in carbon, the side skirt extensions, the mid center section spoiler, and we've got a carbon grille as well. So that's going to be the first part of the build. Next part of the build is going to be later on in the year. We're going to be looking at the diffuser and the roof spoiler as well. So we're going to be taking you through step by step how to install this carbon fibre kit on this X3 LCI. So the first phase of the build is just a simple change of the grille. So that is just on clips. So no need to take out any of the T30s which are on the top. So just get the top open. That is as simple as it is. Just be careful of the bottom clips, so just work it out. You've also got the centre clip here, which is going to be really tight. It's going to be really hanging on. Unfortunately, you're going to have to give it a really good pull, and it sounds horrendous, so I'll do that now. There we go. Back on. That's the grill off. So carbon grill. This one's dead easy because there's no camera. So we'll get those bottom clips lined up. So I can feel that they've just gone in there. You can probably hear it on the video as well. Just make sure this centre clip is lining up. So on these, the grills will be naturally, or the clips will be naturally quite tight, so just be careful not to break the clips. It's starting to just go in nicely now. So as you can see, I've still got a gap on the top here. All right, don't be too eager to get those in because I want the bottom ones in first. So you see, you hear those clip in. That was the final clip that you just heard, and now you can push the top in, and that is a perfect fit. Just look at that. And that is the grill fully installed. I think that is about right. I'm right on edge of you. I'm there. I've got a tip. Okay, so next phase is the front splitter. It's a two-piece splitter. So Isaac is going to take out the little push clips and the 8mm under here so we can get behind this bumper skin here. We are going to bolt the splitter. It's carbon, so we don't want it falling off. Screws are just not enough, so we want it to sit nice and flush right up to the bodywork, and the only way you're going to do that is by nipping the bolts up so that it's nice and flush. So Isaac's going to go ahead and take those out, and I'll see you on the next bit. it. Whack this one in.
These pilots.
I'm not sure if that's moved. So now you need to get them in there. Somehow. Right, so this customer wants the M badge on his grille. So what we're going to use is just the M badges which go on the side wings. It fits kind of perfect. So we're just going to run that on there. Nice and straight. That's awesome. Okay, so part of the carbon kit is the side trims. So we've already taken this one out. I'm going to show you on the other side how to take those out. It's dead easy. So with this one, it just comes with the tape. So I'm just going to go ahead and peel that off. And the backing off. I don't apply heat to these because I don't want it too tacky, because in case it doesn't go on the way I want it to. So clips in there. Down. So give it a nice push on where that tape is. You heard it clip in, so it's all in there. There we go, we've got your carbon trims. So as promised, I'm just going to show you how to do this. Do not put trim tools in here. You're going to chip the paint. You don't need it. Fingernails. I don't really have that many fingernails because back nails. But just lift the plastic trim. So you heard it. Heard it. So that's all your clips disengaged. So I just pull backwards now and I pull it out of those clips. So down and away, and that is it. Give that a little clean up. The next trim goes in. Okay, so moving on to the side skirt extensions. So these are 3/4 length, how they're supposed to be, and has BMW designed them purely to just maintain the functionality of the ground light, which is here. So you can see Isaac's just lining it up now. He's already pre-drilled these. We always do this with carbon fibre to prevent any cracking or anything like that. So he's just lining up that back screw. I could hold it for him, but he seems to think he can do it himself, so that's fine. So yeah, he's just going to install them now, and then we're going to have a little walk around the car. We're pretty much done with what we're doing on this phase. So yeah, we'll see you on the next one. So onto the D-Chrome roundels, which is the 50th anniversary ones from Carbon Culture. So these really suit this colour. It's the Brooklyn grey car, really suit the colour. So we're going to get these ones off and put these ones on, you'll see the difference. So that is phase one of the X3 LCI complete. So we've got the carbon grills, got the carbon splitter. If you bring the camera around here, we're doing this inside because it is throwing it down outside and I want to be able to concentrate on talking to you guys. We've got the side trims here, and what we've done, we've removed the M badge from this part of the wing and we've put it down here on the trim. These originally, when you buy them, they come with an X3M sticker on it. Obviously this is not an X3M, so we're not going to be putting X3M stickers on it either. So we've got the side skirts as well, which are 3/4 length. And then just moving round to the back end, we've got this mid spoiler here as well. So we are going to be replacing the diffuser. There's going to be some side trims going on here and the roof section as well. That's phase two of the build. We've also put the D-chromed roundels from Carbon Culture on there as well, front and rear. Customer didn't want the ones in the centre, I think he's already bought his own. And that is it for now. We've got the wing mirror covers to do as well on phase two, but other than that, Ali's going to do a B-roll of the car, have a good look at it, and if you want a carbon kit for your X3 LCI, give us a shout, we've got everything you need.